Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, a group of villagers faced a severe drought. The once bountiful river that sustained their farms had dried up, threatening their livelihoods and future. Amid the growing desperation, a young leader named Hari stepped forward. Hari gathered the villagers and spoke passionately about the power of unity and collective effort. He proposed a plan to dig a canal from a distant lake to their village, ensuring a steady water supply. Skepticism and fear of failure loomed large, but Hari's unwavering optimism and clear vision began to inspire the villagers. Recognizing the diverse skills within the community, Hari assigned roles based on individual strengths. The strongest would dig, the strategists would map the route, and the elders would provide wisdom and guidance. He emphasized that every contribution, no matter how small, was crucial. As the work began, challenges arose. The digging was arduous and progress was slow. Some villagers started to lose hope. Hari, sensing the diminishing morale, organized nightly gatherings where they shared stories, sang songs, and celebrated small victories. This fostered a sense of camaraderie and renewed determination. Weeks turned into months, but the persistent efforts began to pay off. The canal slowly took shape. One day, after a particularly grueling stretch, the sound of rushing water echoed through the valley. The villagers rejoiced as water flowed into their fields, revitalizing the land and securing their future. Through this endeavor, the villagers learned that true leadership is not about commanding but about inspiring and guiding others towards a common goal. The canal stood as a testament to their unity and the incredible things they could achieve when working together. Hari's leadership had not only saved their village, but had also strengthened the bonds within the community, teaching them the invaluable power of teamwork.